Hey there, Frank with BCS Website Services, and I wanted to show you how to add a hidden page onto your Joomla website. This is something that's easy to do. There's really just 3 steps. You're going to create an article, you're going to assign that article to a menu item on a hidden or non-public menu, and then you're going to go ahead and test and make any changes that you want to see. A hidden article can be useful, for example, or a hidden page on your site can be useful if you wanted to have a landing page, let's say, because you were doing pay-per-click advertising, or maybe you want a thank you page so you can redirect the user after they submit a form on your website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the article manager under content articles, and then we're going to go ahead and add a new article. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and call this hidden page, and we're going to want to give it some content, and let's go ahead and pretty this up a little bit, and let's use the JCE Image Manager Extended to go ahead and find a picture, and we'll insert that. Let's make that right aligned, and let's go ahead and give that some padding on the left as well. Okay, so we've got some content or text in the article, and we've got an image as well. Let's go ahead and save this article. So once we have an article, we're going to navigate over to our menus, and you'll see on our website we use a number of menus, but one of those is called non-public. So non-public contains pages that we don't want to have appear for just the general public to navigate from the navigation menus, although the general public may come to these pages. To add our hidden page, we're going to click New and create a new menu item. So first of all, I'm going to give this a title, and I'm just going to match the article title, hidden page. So we need to select our menu item type. This is going to be an article, single article. We just want to display the one article that we had created. So after we select the menu item type, then we can go ahead and select our article for this menu item, and we can save. Now, when we save the article, you'll notice that this link populates, and the link is index.php (option equals) so on and so forth. So we're using SH404 SEF on our website, and when we're done with this, the title of this URL on our website is going to be hiddenpage.html, but you might find that that's not available right away. You might find that you need to access that with the system URL before the component builds that search engine friendly URL. So I'm going to show you how to work with a system URL. With a system URL, we need to copy this information that we have here. This ID, if you don't know, the 243 is the article ID. This is not the menu item ID. And we need this menu item ID in order to be able to see the page properly on the website. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of here. And we want to note the menu item ID for the item we just created. It's over here on the right column, 539. So what we're going to do with that, I'll click the preview link to open up the front side of our website. So at bcswebsiteservices.com, we're going to add a /, and I'm just going to Control-V to paste in that information that we copied from the menu item. So we've got the ID equals 243. That's the article ID, but there's one thing missing, and that's the item ID. And so that's going to be capital ITEM ID equals 539. So what we've done is we've taken and created a proper system URL by adding the ampersand item ID equals 539, and again, item has a capital I. So with that system URL, what happens is we can go ahead and view the page that we just created, or the article that we just created, called hidden page. So this is the content, and this is the image that I added into that page. From there, if you want to customize things, you can just go back to your article manager, and of course you have the article there available for editing. So this is the content, and this is some more content. And if we save that and then refresh the front side of the website, we'll see those changes in place. Now, there's some other things that you might want to do with your article. So part of the reason that we created a new menu item instead of maybe just viewing the article without that item ID is so that we can control the modules on the page. And for example, if we didn't want to show this quick quote module, we'd be able to do that because we have a menu item. We could simply go to the module manager and we could search for quick to find that quick quote, and we have two pieces. We have a heading and then we have the actual form within a module, but we would do this to the two pieces. We'd look at menu assignment, and you'll see that we've got this set to show on all pages except those selected. So what I want to do is I want to go to my non-public or my hidden menu, and then I would tick this box and I would exclude the module from that page. The reason that, the reason that the menu doesn't appear on our website, that hidden menu, is simply that we have not assigned a module to display any of that menu information on the site. So we do have a menu called Top Menu, and we've assigned a position that appears in our template. That's what you see across the top. And we've also assigned that to a footer position so that we have a menu across the footer of the website. But there you go. That's how you add a hidden page to your Joomla website in 3 easy steps. If you have any questions, please do send us an email, support@bcswebsiteservices.com.